Okay guys, my dryer vent, I kept getting a check vent light on the dryer. So I eliminated the problem being in the dryer, and I thought, well, maybe the whole vent going up the roof is clogged. So I got this brush on Amazon. It's a vent cleaning kit. It's got these nylon flexible rods you hook onto a drill. It has a brush on the end. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna demonstrate that for you. You just connect it here to the drill, go clockwise, and turn it on and start pulling it out. Pretty cool. Worked really, really well. You can see it kind of smoking out here. It's works really well. So if you guys are having issues with your check vent light, get you one of these vent cleaning kits, because there's a possibility that whole vent going all the way down is clogged, and mine was really bad. Don't know if it's ever been cleaned out. On the bottom it comes with an adapter you hook to a shop vac. So as you brush it out, you turn your shop vac on and it sucks the lint. Pretty cool, guys.